May pa nagsimula yung utos ng presidente to check on this water concessionaire. So he was referring to the 2 boxes, the balikbayan boxes na binigay namin with the report na ito yung findings ng LUA. It concerns around 20 water districts who want to rescind their contract, involving 77 under prime and 103 of all water districts with JVs. So hindi lang siya necessarily for prime. No? It involves all water performance audits of all water districts with JVs. Kasi merong specific issues yun eh. For example, tax issues, right? Ang water district, walang VAT yan. Ang may ka-JV, that's an additional 12% of VAT. So yun yung mga tinitingnan natin. How do we make this more efficient? How do we bring cheaper water or affordable water to the masses or to the constituents? After the review of LUA found out that kulang-kulang ang investment ng isang JV partner ng water districts, such that hindi nagawan ng facilities, hindi natugunan yung mga kailangan like NRW, expansion, kaya hindi umabot yung necessarily promises nila at ang tubig sa mga tao na apektado ng joint venture partnerships na to. So right now, what we are doing is that meron kaming plano, whole of government, para maayos to at mabigyan ng lunas sa mga taong nawawalan ng tubig hanggang ngayon. Unfortunately, I cannot elaborate on the details of the plans and the directives, but rest assured that it will happen soon and it will be effective. My orders are to bring water to these people. Finger-pointing cases can follow or parallel, pero ang una, ang priority natin, magkaroon ng tubig sila.